Unit 15. My family's weekend. Lesson 2. Cook meals. Cook meals. Cook meals. Play tennis. Play tennis. Play tennis. Watch film. Watch film. Watch film. Do yoga. Do yoga. Do yoga. What does he do on Sundays? He plays tennis. What does she do on Sundays? She cooks meals. What does he do on Sundays? He plays tennis. What does he do on Sundays? He watches films. What does she do on Sundays? She does yoga. Goodbye.